Alright, with this robot design I have included 3 LEDs as part of a battery indicator. As I simulate going down in voltage to show a dead battery, you'll see the lights begin to turn off in sequence. When I go below 8.1 volts, the first LED should turn off. Now, if I go below 7.2 volts, the second LED should turn off. And the last LED is when I go below 6.3 volts. And just to show you going up the scale, back to my 9 volts. Now I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to disconnect my terminals. And now I'm going to connect the actual 9 volts from the battery to that same sensor to show that my battery is actually not fully charged. It is below 8.1 volts. That's because I've been testing thoroughly. And now if we hit this button, the right wheel, the left wheel moves with the left button. The right wheel moves. If I press both together, you should see both wheels moving. And if I press this interrupt button, the wheels should stop. And if I press both, same way. That is the basic design right now. Further functionality will be added later. But we have our battery indicator, and we have our switch over here. This battery goes to this switch, which goes to the input of this regulator. The regulator adds more power for these motors. It's our H bridge, and we have these orange and green pins that go into our inputs on our Arduino. So when we push these buttons, not only does the light light up, but it sends a signal to these wires that send to the motors. We have 2 motors underneath, you can see there. And we also have a servo over here that is not yet plugged into anything. And we have our sensor for our that will be added in future videos.